441 Bravo Whiskey is OTR, SK1.
Conquest 441 Bravo Whiskey, Lunken Tower, runway 21, clear to land.
21, clear to land, 1 Bravo Whiskey.
This is a Cincinnati-based Cessna Citation Excell or 560 XL. It goes by the call sign 1 Charlie Romeo. So if you listen to ATC and you hear 1 Charlie Romeo or Charlie Romeo, this is it.
Hey, good morning. We'll be on the ground in about 10-15 minutes. We're dropping off 2 passengers. We'll get a luggage cart up the side of the plane.
Luggage cart, copy that. We'll see you in 15. Anything else?
Charlie Romeo is heading to Boca Raton, also known as just Boca. The ground crew is disconnecting all the lines, removing the chocks. Meanwhile, the pilots are going through their pre-flight checklists and advising the passengers of various safety information. There is a marshal in front of the plane. When the pilot is ready to taxi, he will turn on his headlights. It's like Swenson's drive-in. Turn on your headlights for service.
Citation 90 on Charlie Romeo, runway 21, taxi via Alpha Echo. Enter runway 25. And hold short Alpha at 25. Vegas Tango. Thank you.
That was our taxi instructions to get to the end of 2-1.
Citation 480 Charlie Charlie on a visual, 2-1.
Citation 480 Charlie Charlie, Lunken Tower, runway 21, clear to land.
Clear to land, 480 Charlie Charlie.
Lunken has multiple radio channels. We have clearance, ground, tower, and then they turn you over to approach, which is at Cincinnati Center. Now, on a day that's not busy, the same controller may be operating more than one channel or all of the channels, and we can sometimes hear them. We're listening to tower.
Conquest 1 Bravo Whiskey, right Bravo ground, point 9.
Right Bravo ground, point 9, 1 Bravo Whiskey.
Taxi instructions are a little more difficult because taxiway Alpha is under construction. I think they're doing something where they're breaking up with an old runway cross. I'm not sure, but lots of people out there on Alpha. So the planes are crossing over to runway 25 and doing the last of their taxi up the runway.
Conquest 441 Bravo Whiskey, ground taxi to park via Charlie Alpha, cross 25 Charlie.
441 is a Cessna Conquest that landed while we were following this. Up ahead is the golf course. It's about to get really exciting and a lot of fun because this Excell is going to scurry to get on and off the runway.
Citation 901 Charlie Romeo, Lunken Tower. Can you take an immediate?
We can do it immediate. 901 Charlie Romeo.
Citation 1 Charlie Romeo, traffic citation, 3 mile final, 21 clear takeoff, flight runway heading.
Clear for takeoff, 21, runway heading, 901 Charlie Romeo.
Sure, Charlie, traffic citation, taking runway for departure, should be no factor.
Sure, Charlie, Roger.
I love the line, should be no factor. Let's see if it is no factor.
Good morning, Lunken Tower, Lear 247, just out with you, visual 21.
Lear 247, Joe Hotel, Lunken Tower, runway 21, clear to land.
21, clear to land, Sim, just out.